अभी आपने टाइट स्लैप की बात की तो फटक से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनौत वाला इंसिडेंट है वो याद आ गया। तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन है?
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
Thank you.
Hi Karan, this question is for Nikhil and Karan here. Can you guys see me? Abira from NDTV. Nikhil and Karan, both of you, what did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because we have so many actors today. What was that one thing that you were convinced that he is the one for Kill?
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, and done like literally a 5-minute narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I've just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers where there was Ayan Mukherjee, or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We've introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately, like in 2 minutes, I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. I hadn't seen anything. I literally saw that 2.5-minute audition. And on that 2.5-minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. And I remember feeling that instinct when I even auditioned Alia. It was literally when we auditioned her in 2011, when we were casting for Student of the Year. Again, I met her. It was a meeting. In 2 minutes, I knew I'm going to cast her in Student of the Year. That audition was just a formality because I'd already spent time chatting with her. I hadn't met Laksh. And literally, we shot her that evening, and it was the same thing. It was just from your heart, there comes an inner voice that tells you, yes, this is it. And that's exactly what happened with Laksh.
मैं भी लक्ष्य के लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगा अभी। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, बहुत सालों से एक्शन देखते आया हूँ और हमारे बहुत फिजिकली एक्शन होता है हर जगह में। कुछ टाइम से मैं फिल्म्स देखता हूँ जिसमें सब उछल भी जाते हैं, टांगे भी खोल देते हैं, सब होता है। बट कुछ इनर लाइफ ही ब्रिंग समथिंग पर्सनल जो आंखों में आता है। इसकी एक्शन तो मारधाड़ सभी कर रहे हैं, बट बहुत समय बाद मैंने किसी का एक्शन देखा जिसमें यू आर इमोशनली कनेक्टेड टू हिम व्हाइल ही इज डूइंग द एक्शन, और वो सब आंखों में दिखता है इसकी। तो ये टैलेंट मुझे नहीं लगता, आई थिंक अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता। मैंने बिल्कुल बच्चन साहब को देखा है वो करते हुए कि वो आंखों में लाते थे, बट येस मुझे यार आई लव हिम। एंड आप जब देखेंगे आप सीट पकड़ लेंगे ऐसे। वो ये करता है यार, ये बहुत खतरनाक करता है यार भाई। एक्शन के मामले में तो यार यू आर लव यू बाबा, लव यू। और सामने वाले एक्टर की भी हेल्प करता है उतनी ही। अगर ये ऐसे नहीं करता सामने वाला भी मतलब फट हो जाता है एकदम,
भूल जाता है। तो बताना पड़ता है बार-बार सीन के बीच में।
मैं बार-बार
Also, they did 9 months of prep. It was extensive. Nikhil, you should also.
Yeah. So when I met Laksh for the first time, so there was a certain vulnerability in him, and for Amrit, it was the most important thing. And like what Karan said, and even Raghav what he said, is that there's a certain quality in him, जिसके कारण मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूँ अगर वो शायद नारियल बाहर से सख्त अंदर से मुलायम. So he's all heart from inside, and from outside, of course, you've seen what he can do. He can do wonders, and the kind of dedication he has. Oh my goodness! For almost 8 months, we trained, and he was there on every day, and we trained for almost 5 hours to 6 hours every day, and he was there every time. And that's also the reason why what Raghav is saying, that he used to teach the rest of the cast, because he just took it in. उसने सारा मतलब मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर ओ ने जो सिखाया होगा उसमें से 75% लक्ष्य ने ले लिया. So he's just phenomenal.